Welcome to this episode on building resilience in children, which is also known as BRIC, to develop resilience. By taking care of plants, children learn the importance of responsibility and develop nurturing skills. They witness the impact of their efforts and the patience required for plants to grow, teaching them perseverance. Gardening presents various challenges like pests, diseases, and unpredictable weather. Children learn to identify problems, seek solutions, and adapt their approach. This problem-solving mindset fosters resilience in the face of obstacles. Gardening allows children to connect with the natural world, fostering a sense of awe, wonder, and appreciation. Being in nature has been linked to increased emotional well-being and resilience. Gardening teaches children that good things take time. They learn to wait for seeds to sprout, plants to grow, and eventually harvest the fruits of their labor. This cultivates patience and the ability to delay gratification, important aspects of resilience. Not every gardening endeavor succeeds, and children experience setbacks and failures along the way. This provides valuable opportunities for them to learn from mistakes, adapt their approach, and persevere despite setbacks. Gardening can serve as a therapeutic outlet for children to express and regulate their emotions. It provides a calming and soothing environment that can help them manage stress, anxiety, and frustration, fostering emotional resilience. As children witness the growth and progress of their plants, they experience a sense of accomplishment and pride. This boosts their self-esteem and confidence, reinforcing their resilience and belief in their abilities. Gardening allows children to understand their journey from seed to table. Growing their own food teaches them the value of nutrition, healthy eating habits, and the importance of sustainable practices. This connection with food empowers them to make healthier choices and strengthens their resilience towards challenges related to food security and environmental issues. Gardening can be a collaborative activity, encouraging children to work together, share responsibilities, and communicate effectively. Collaborative gardening projects promote teamwork and resilience by teaching children to appreciate diverse perspectives, resolve conflicts, and achieve common goals. Engaging with nature through gardening can enhance mindfulness, concentration, and overall well-being. It offers children a break from technology and screens, allowing them to be present in the moment and cultivates a sense of calm. This mindfulness practice contributes to their emotional resilience and ability to manage stress. Overall, gardening provides a hands-on immersive experience that nurtures resilience in children by instilling responsibility, problem-solving skills, patience, and the ability to learn from failure. Well, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Remember to garden, and if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click that notification bell.